ske frog bin sin harfa fjöre tjútu sanna ske agus breile har sin tadpoles breile har sin ho stahan bodjalu agus ha ja karkan sinna agus ha ja stahan ske agus chaal fuin na ske agus ní hokkel sé grien ama be hart eine grene hart i wadjal sin agus Kasala hayashtan etamu eske ruövrig eske goni galchin eske ruövrig agus blianan leishin hokan bodjalchin agus chin alla han hayashtan had krewe agus hayishin is jasna glúne na helna agus etabiro mohula denu bin tara rofa agus bin nabula denu agus vi shameltna mahigna krewe
agus vas
neder vín sin fásta.
Agus vask tú le hiske sulla chuir tú sa bidéile?
No, ní ra dhéalaiste han an skeit na frog.
Agus an bolú fásach as
tréis bliana? Ní balú na balúas.
Nach ré.
Gabi. Bliana leis hóki maharita, ha jaiste han etamú eske ruövrik na rui. Rinde bliana sin etim.
Running water, fresh running water.
Yeah. Rodemu Yeranan, uska that tashke buish in a minute Yeranan.
Sure, but where do you get yellow water that has rust iron in it?
Yeah.
Came Coviancha. It's around here.
Oh, Tashas Napoleon Gilorda wasn't taught you to. I guess you have a Manican no nam she breshu.
Sure.
Nachan your chart.
Huh. So as you say, you take the tadpoles and you put them in a bottle and you close it up in February, and then you put that in like a bog
January,
hole.
February, March,
wherever the tadpoles are
out. Yes.
And you put them in the bottle, and then you immerse the bottle in a bog hole of sort of iron-rich water.
Yes, water that's running, and it can come to the face of the sun at any time. It has to be under.
Must be in darkness.
Yes, darkness hole, and a year from that day it has to be lifted, and that's the oil for your bones and knees and everything else, every joint you have.
Yeah.
The old people used to rub that into every part of their hands and knees, and because they would be out out in the fields.
Mm-hmm.